Quicken Simplifi's spending plan is a flexible, automated budgeting tool that starts with your income and subtracts bills, subscriptions, and planned expenses to show what's left for discretionary spending. Unlike rigid category budgets, it adjusts in real time as you spend, helping you avoid overspending without manual tracking. Available on web, iOS, and Android, it's ideal for beginners. Sign up and connect accounts. Download the app or visit simplify.quicken.com. Create an account with email and payment info. Link bank, credit card, and investment accounts via secure Plaid integration. This auto-imports transactions. Review income and recurring items. Go to Spending Plan dashboard. Confirm detected income, e.g. paychecks. Connect billers, for example utilities, and subscriptions. Simplify prompts you to include them, auto-adding to your plan. Add planned expenses. Tap planned spending. Add expense. Enter categories like groceries, $400 a month, or entertainment, $150. Set amounts based on past data. View spending reports for averages. Include savings goals contributions. Customize and review. Adjust for one-time items or rollovers. Leftover funds carry to next month. View the overview. Income minus essentials shows leftover for flexible spending. Enable alerts for overspending. Track progress. As transactions post, Simplify categorizes them automatically. Edit if needed. Monitor via charts. Adjust mid-month.